Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. I will continue from the topic that I started last time, which is material selection. In this video, we will talk about the process of material selection. So, let's take the example for easy understanding. So, the example is the solar panel, okay, and we want to select the steel for the structure. Now, what is the first condition? The first is the operating condition. So, first step of material selection is to review the operating conditions. In this case, the operating conditions would also mean the environmental conditions. In fact, this is true for most of it, whether it's an oil component or it is an automotive component. In addition to the operating conditions, you must consider the environment where that equipment is going to go. For example, here the operating conditions may be the number of solar panels, the electrical conductivity required, strength required, the tensile strength, yield strength, etc., brittleness, toughness. Additionally, we should also consider where it is going to be installed. Is it going to be installed in desert, or is it going to be installed in a river or on the beach? Because each of these present a different kind of environment, and this external environment is obviously going to affect the structure itself. So first step is reviewing operating conditions. Next step is reviewing the design. So what kind of design is it required, or do you want it to be? And that should include all the specifics of welds, etc. The third point is selecting the potential candidate materials. So depending on these two conditions, what are the materials that we can use? For this, you can either do a literature survey, or you can check what has been used before in other industries, or you can take the help of both and then decide which are the best options that you can choose from. The fourth is evaluating. So you have, say, selected three different materials, then you need to test them. So testing may come in three forms. The first, it may come in the lab testing, where you do the mechanical property testing, the physical property testing, chemical property, etc., etc. And then you can do the field testing as well, where you actually expose coupons of those materials to the environment of exposure. The fifth point is define the specifications. Now, this depends on whether it is an established application or it is a new application. So, if it is an established application, you will already have standards and codes that you need to follow. If your application requires some modification, you may use these as guidance and change the specifications to suit your application. If it is an entirely new thing, for example, you have made this solar panel and you are the one who is going to introduce as a novel product. So you take the solar panel and you define specifications that are required if you want to manufacture more of these going further ahead. So defining specification is the fifth point. And finally, you monitor. So once you have done everything, you establish it, you use the material, and then you monitor. How is it working? Is it working as we wanted? If it is not working as we wanted, where did it go wrong? Did it go wrong in design, or did it go wrong in selecting the material properties? Did we miss any properties? So these six steps are the main steps of material selection. Um, Next video, I will try to go a bit in detail about materials of each of these points and check and try to give a few more examples so that it's clearer to all of you. So thank you, and see you next time.